Hello everyone and welcome to AOB Canada. Today I will show you how to create quickly an account in the chart of accounts. In my future videos I will show you the same thing through other accounting softwares like Sage 50, Canadian Edition, QuickBooks, Ecomba, MyOB, Accounting Plus, and Advantage Expenses. So now I will show you this process through accounting software Xero by taking AOB Canada Inc. as our example. This company markets the electronic items and products. To create a new account, we come here in settings, click chart of accountants, and add account. In this small window we have some required information to type, and we have some account type or account classes like current asset, inventory, fixed asset, non-current asset, current liabilities, non-current liabilities, equity, income or revenue, and finally expenses. Let's now begin by the first one, which is the current asset. We choose current asset. Here we type the account number or the account code. For example, we begin by 1020. Okay, is available this code or this number. The account name, for example, in Canada we'll use, for example, cash to be deposited. We can also type a short description, but it's only optional. Here we have the default tax setting for this account. Okay, when we finish typing the required information, we click on save. Here we have the new account added. The second one, we'll add the petty cash. We click on add account. The account type or class is current asset. We type the number, the account number 1050. The account name petty cash. We can, for example, put a short description. I will look for it. For example, this one. Copy paste. We come back here to description. Here there is a short description about this account. After we click on save, we'll add another one. Add account. It belongs in a current asset account type. We choose the account class current asset. The code or account number 1060. The account name National Bank of Canada. Banque Nationale du Canada, National Bank of Canada. Save. Add account, account type, current asset. The code, for example, we'll use 1070. Account name credit card receivable, short description, and save. Add another account, most useful, which is account receivable. Account type, current asset, the account number 2000, account number, accounts receivable. C. We chose current asset. Code is code number, account or account number 1320. Prepayment. Save. Okay, so we go to inventory accounts. Click add account, inventory account code, for example 5001, inventory laptops, short description here, for example I will copy and paste this one. Save. I will add another inventory account, inventory code 5002, account name, inventory desktop computers. Save. The last inventory account which will be created, inventory code 5003, inventory printers, save. Now we'll add another one, for example for fixed asset. Fixed asset, choose a code, for example 1820, the account name office furniture and equipment, save. We will add another fixed asset account, choose account type or account class, fixed asset, the account number 1825, account name accumulated amortization for furniture and equipment, save. Let's go now for other accounts, for the non-current asset, add account, non-current asset, the account number, for example 1920, the name, the goodwill, save. Another non-current asset account, non-current asset, account number 1910, the account name, for example computer software, and can put a short description and click on save. The last non-current asset account which will be created. Non-current asset code without 1925, for example. The account name incorporation cost and save. We click on add account for choosing the revenue account, the revenue account type. Where is revenue? Here. The account number will be, for example, 4010. The account name will be sales laptops. We click on save. We click the second one for revenue. The account number will be 4015. Sales desktop, desktop computers. We click on save. We add another revenue type, revenue. The account number will be 4020. The account name sales printers, and we click on save. The last revenue type will be other income. Revenue 4040. The account name will be other revenue or income, and we click on save. Now we will create the expense accountants. Account type expense. The first account number will be 5001. Purchases laptops. Click on save. We add another one, which is account type expense is account type. The account number is 02. Purchases desktop computers. We forget O. And finally we click on save. We add another one, expense. We can use direct costs. Instead of using expense, we can use direct costs, which will include computers purchased and freight or wages, etc. So in order to simplify the tutorial, I use only on expense. The account number 5004. The account name will be purchases printers. We can add, for example, some useful expenses account, like for example expense, real expenses, account number 5010. We will use it for example, wages and salaries. Click on save. we add another account, which is the type expense, account number, for example 5020. The account number will be EI, which means employment insurance, and click on save. We add, for example, another one, expenses, the account number 5030. Account name will be CNESST, which means the Committee on Standards Equity. Health and Safety at Work, formerly called the CSST. Click on save. I forget to show you how to where is the expense, for example, 5, where is 4? For example, sales laptops. We didn't choose the default tax setting for this account. For Quebec, we have GST and QST on sales, and click on save. We do the same thing for other sales, for example, sales desktop. Here we choose GST and QST on sales, other sales, printers also the same thing, which will default tax setting for this account 14.975%. Save. Also for the purchases or expenses, didn't do it. Laptop, we choose the tax. Save. For desk computers also we choose the tax, purchase tax. The printers also. Save. Okay, so we'll continue creating other expense accounts. For example, provisional fees, expense, account number 5060, professional or legal fees, will just take fees, and the default tax setting, which is GST and QST on purchases. Saves. We will add the last one, or before the last one, expense, code 5070, office supplies are taxable. Okay, save. And the last one that we'll add is the bank fees, 5080 bank fees. And finally, we have I had shown you how to create quickly many accounts belonging to various account classes. I hope this video will be useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to activate the notification icon in order to receive on time any video I post in my channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.